In this video, I am gonna guide you on how you can remove OneDrive from Windows 11. So let's get started. So first, go into your taskbar and type in uninstall. And now you should have these options under settings, add or remove programs. You want to click on that. And now from here, you would want to search for apps. And in this one, I recommend that you type in OneDrive. And then you should see the Microsoft OneDrive. All you have to do now is to click here on uninstall, click on uninstall again. And then you would have the pop-up. You just need to click on yes. And then once you have done that, then it will now be uninstalled from your computer. So basically, I just need to refresh this. And as you can see, it is now gone. And now just to ensure that all the files is removed from your computer, the next thing is that you want to go here into your file manager. And then you would want to go into this PC. So you should find it somewhere here. So this PC, and then you would go into your boot drive, which is this one. Now from here, you want to find the users folder, which is this one. And now go into the user that you are currently in. So for my case, it's this one, my PC. Open that, and from here, you should see the OneDrive folder. So now you can open that up, and then you can see the contents. You can back up if you would want to save this first before deleting them. As for my case, I don't need them, so I'm just going to right click, and now I'm going to click here on delete. And then it will now be deleted, and that's it. I have now cleaned OneDrive from my computer. So that's it on how you could do this. So kindly leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.